There's the swarm of bees up there in the branch. I'm going to try and crawl up there and cut both sides of that branch and drop it in this right there. There they are up close. Okay, come here, Jake. Brush the top. Yeah. Remove it.
Wow. Look at that. Come over by grass. Oh my. There's some mad bees there. Hey Phil, look at me.
I can feel this stick vibrating from all the bees in it.
Really?
Yeah, it's like it has a little tone to it.
Mom, with my face. Sorry. Just shake your head.
He likes going,
Gives me a heart attack. Every time she does it, I think she's in real danger.
yeah, you gotta try driving with her. Yeah.
I refuse to try. Tell me when you're picking up a big one.
And then there's the other hive that was already there.
There's the bee boys. We're gonna have to get more bee suits, Phil, if this keeps up. So, Dad, so what's with that other hive? Are they living in there too? Yeah, it looks like it.
There are all the bees. There's Mom.
I'm not scared, Bradford. I'm brave.
So this is the new hive that I've set up. This is the old hive, and a lot of the bees that I brought up seem to be thinking they want to go in that one now. Put some sticks in front of it. I've heard that that's supposed to help the bees, or force the bees, to reorient themselves. So hopefully I got the queen and she's in there. I've still got a few things to clean up down by the pergola, but that's pretty much it. The bees are in there. New home. Happy bees.